Just got sent this lash serum and I'm loving it so far because of its really unique design. So up here, it's super soft. You're gonna just go along your lash line. Right now, my face is totally clean, no makeup on it. So I'm gonna go under. If you have sensitive eyes, this is okay for them too. It's been clinically tested. And then on top, just gonna give your eyelashes all the health they need to get long and luscious, and you should start seeing results in about 6 weeks. I just started, so I'm on week 1. That's it. Apply it there, and then you have this mascara wand, and you're gonna go ahead and use that on your lashes. I don't have lash extensions, but if you do, you can actually use this with extensions, and once it's dry, you can then follow up with makeup. You can put your mascara on, so it doesn't have to only be used at night, which I also really, really like. So here we go, Lash Serum. It is a vegan formula. It has all kinds of great ingredients in it, including peptides and vegan PDRN, which is very popular in K-beauty. And I'm so excited to see all the results of this. And that's it. That's all you have to do. If you're looking for a really good lash serum, definitely check this one out.